Alright guys, I'm doing my Hummer brake pad. Already did this corner here. I got some new tires for it. It's one of my favorite truck. She's pretty nice. I did this the front already, so I got one last wheel to do at the back there, and it's pretty easy and simple. I'll show you guys how to do that. I got brand new tires right way around, and I bought this kit at Home Depot, this Husky kit, and it's pretty crappy. I paid like about $200 for it or something like that. It's 185 pieces, but this is what happened. You always get that problem there. It's either break out or this don't work. It don't clip properly. All these here usually break out, and none of these ever stay in their place. They always fall apart, fall out. And there's not much to require. You would need one of these guys here and a pry bar, and I'll go get the wheel out. I'll be back. So I got the wheel out. There's only 2 bolts I got it loosed out. So this is all you're gonna need, this one socket here, and this little pry screwdriver thing, and a hammer. I spray some WD-40 on those 2 bolts. As you can see there, this one here and that one there, I gotta get off, take out this caliper. When I take out that caliper, you'll see the brake. So let's do that. So I'll take this little pry bar thing and pry this caliper out. As you can see, it's coming out pretty easy here. I have to brand new brake pad here to put in. Just take your hammer and give it a little tap so it can come right out. And this one goes at the back here with this little clip here, so when it's finished, see that clip? When it's finished, it will start grazing on the rotor. That's how you will know that your brake pad needs to change. And that's in there. And just give it a little tap with a hammer. See, she's nice and tight in there. Put back here, put on new grease, new clips. So this is, I gotta squeeze that caliper in so it can go all the way in and then come on in here, because right now it won't fit. That's the reason why I have this clamp. This is really easy. I need a better clamp, but I'll try to make this one work. You have to get this caliper all the way in. So you see it's in there, all the way in. Otherwise, in that it would not fit on the brake pad. Make sure when you put in back this bolt, it's not cross-threaded. Do not tight it. Do the bottom or the top first, and make sure both of them go in all the way in very smooth. And that way it will not cross-thread. And that's it. Pretty easy and simple. I'm not a mechanic. I like to do things on my own. I'm pretty sure if you have to take this to the shop, it will cost a lot of money, but make sure you tie these up back pretty good here. There you go. There you got it. New brakes pad. Done. I'll throw that wheel in back there. And we should be good to go. My favorite truck, my Hummer. So my baby right here. I got a Silverado there, but and a BMW, but this one here is my favorite. Alright, I'll be back. Okay guys, I got this all done. Wheels in. There. When you tighten your wheel, do opposite. Always. Don't tie this one and that one. And I recommend for you to take your truck or car to a professional mechanic and get your stuff done. I did this because I did this many times, so I have some experience in doing it. So take care. See you guys in the next video. Please share, like, subscribe. Thanks for watching.